Okay, this is part one, take two. I'm not sure why my link isn't working, but just in case you can't pull up my first YouTube video, it was working 5 minutes ago, but apparently I'm having tech problems in tech class, which is super cool because this is a master's program tech class, so that's great for me. Anyway, the first question is how or which interactive apps can I use to supplement learning as an alternative to labs? This is for kids that miss labs or, for whatever reason can't do them. I went through a lot of websites and a lot of different app type things. And what I figured out is that um, I felt like my searches were very limited based on the fact that once the app or site is deemed educationally, I guess, interactive or fun, then people are trying to make money off of it. So I don't have the kind of money to buy all these apps and try them out. But I think that the better ones are going to cost money. This is the one app I found um, that is amazing. It's called biodigital.com. I'm using it right now for my life science. And so basically, it has all these resources. Okay. I'm going over different systems right now. And so basically, what you can do is get into these different systems, or you can even do like illnesses, diseases, and you could look at the brain of an Alzheimer's patient. You could look at the brain of an ADHD um, child. Anything. I mean, it's insane. It's so cool. You can click on specific areas, the jejunum, okay, and the duodenum. You could click on whatever you felt like you needed more information on, and it gives you a great analysis of that. So that's biodigital. Moving on to my second question, what discussion techniques can I use paired with discussion tracking apps can alleviate the grading process? So my thought process is, how do I stop being the teacher cop, and how do I enrich or ignite discussions in my classroom when I want them to get to that higher level? So we all know about Dojo. Dojo is great for creating groups. It's great for creating participation tactics. It's giving them a digital voice, but it's also good for presenting. But I felt like when I went through Dojo this time, I felt like it was more of an elementary status class track or a classroom management application. Um, and we all know about Zoom. Zoom is great for communicating for webcam or whatever reason that you would need to. It's good for getting everyone in the same classroom, distance ed wise, but there was some limitations from Tanya's class I found when it comes to kind of the grading process. I don't think that it's going to alleviate that problem. Then we have equity maps. Equity maps, I felt like was one of the coolest resources I've ever seen. Okay, I'm going to definitely be using this. Um, like it says, you can use it for Socratic seminars. You could use it in multiple disciplines. It gives you feedback frames of like 5 different equities. It gives you a playback map, which is this is the coolest thing I've seen. I need to look way into this, and if it asks for more money, then I think I might give them more money because I think that this would just make the grading process so simple for me, and then I would be able to focus more on the students and getting them engaged. And then in my second video, it's going to show you this blog about discussion tactics. And so go ahead and check that out. Thank you. Hopefully the first one works for you, but if that one doesn't, then just check this one out.